too long, but I don't
Here's the
want
seafood
to come down.
Sharp guys.
Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground.
So, kunin lang namin mga luggage namin. Then, proceed na kami sa may airport transfer. Let's go. So, guys, palabas na kami ng airport. So, pupunta na namin yung airport transfer namin from Tripi dito. Guys, wait na tayo. Pupunta na tayo sa may parking area kasi nandun yung nabook namin na van transfer going to El Nido. So, same pa rin. Ayan, mga madami nag-aantay dito for the van transfer. Hi, Kuya. Maria Luisa Oliver. Okay, so dito kami. Here's our van transfer. So, time check. It's already 11:30 a.m. So, dito na kami sa may pangalawang stopover and we're gonna have our lunch. Hello mga karor, this is Luisa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, this is gonna be another travel vlog and yes, we are back here in El Nido and guys, yeah, I picked this place kasi dito ako gusto mag-celebrate ng birthday ko. So yun, I'm with Bench for this travel, so first time niya dito sa El Nido. So yun guys, yung biyahe pala namin kanina of around 5:30 a.m. yung biyahe namin from Manila to Puerto Princesa. Then from Puerto Princesa, mga around 9 ata kami nakaalis doon. Ayun, nag-van na kami papuntang El Nido. So yun guys, yung biyahe is 5 to 6 hours kapag van, no? Tapos may tatlong stopover naman na yun. So, okay na din siya. Makakakain na rin kayo, makakapag-lunch. And yun guys, binook namin yung van transfer namin sa may Tripi dito. So, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link. Actually, doon din ako sa Tripi dito before nag-book ng van transfer ko. So, it's only worth 700 pesos. Actually, 700 pesos talaga siya. Binigyan lang nila ako ng discount ng 50 pesos per way kasi, ayun, customer na rin nila kasi ako before. So, yun guys, medyo yung biyahe lang talaga is super tagtag lang talaga siya kasi syempre malayo siya, no? So, if you want na saglit lang yung biyahe nyo, may option kayo na mag-Air Swift. So, from Manila, mag-Air Swift kayo na airline, papuntang Lio siya. Tapos from Lio, I think 30 to 45 minutes yung biyahe naman papuntang El Nido proper town. Pero yun nga, medyo expensive lang yung airline ticket ng Air Swift. Pero I think kung medyo matagal naman, medyo sakto lang. So, yung price naman ng booking namin is around 2,000 lang, balikan na. Pero may ginamit kami na super pass kasi for that. So, yun guys, nandito na kami sa may Amos Pili 3 Inns. So, yes, we're gonna be staying here in El Nido for 5 nights, guys. So, yun yung price and all. Ilalagay ko na lang later. Tapos, yeah, mag-start na tayo ng room tour. Let's go! Yan, here's our room. Let's start on this side. So, may mirror siya. Medyo malaki. It's nice actually. So, dito, may pwede kayong paghang ng clothes nyo. Definitely may aircon siya. Ito yung bed. I think this is a double bed. So, yun. May window siya dito, guys. Yun, and facing siya sa may kalsada. So, I think kapag traffic, medyo maririnig nyo talaga. So, may view tayo dito. Ayan. So, may pa-design. Ayan, I like it. Ang ganda ng color na itong backdrop dito. Yan, oh. Tapos, dito naman, may TV sila na maliit and a table. So, if mag-work kayo, pwede din dito siguro. And they also have a Wi-Fi. So, ayan, nandiyan na yung mga gamit namin. Sorry, makalat na siya. And lastly, here's the bathroom area. So, ayan. I think hot and cold shower naman na yan. And meron ditong, yeah, toilet. So, ayan, may tissue. Salamin din dito. Hi! And, yeah. That's it for our room tour, guys. So, binook pala namin yung room namin dito sa may Amos Pili 3 in via booking.com. And we only paid 7,400 for 2 packs for 5 nights na siya. So, I think sulit naman. So, yun. Of course, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link kung saan namin to binook. If in case gusto nyo rin dito mag-book sa Amos Pili 3 in. So, later, check out din natin yung ibang ano dito sa property nila. But for now, magpapahinga na lang muna kami. And of course, later lalabas kami for dinner. So, see you guys later. Bye!
1 hour later.
Wala guys, yung labas ng room namin. Ayan, may table doon na pwede sigurong tambayan. And may mga paganito sila. Ayan siya. And the best thing here is ang view, guys. Ayan, may view siya ng limestones. Ang grabe. Tapos ayan, I think that's a school. Yan So, ito yung guys, yung Amos Pili 3 in hotel. Then sa labas, ito siya. That's why maingay. Kasi ang dami talagang dumadaan. And I think it's one of the main road here. So, ito yung signage nila. And dito sa port na to, pwede kayong tumabay. And meron din silang designated smoking area. So, yeah. Outfit check pala tayo, guys. So guys, it's very busy right now kasi labasan ng mga estudyante and daming mga tricycles. So yun, ito may mga shops din dito. Nice. May mga shops din dito if in case gusto niyo bumili ng mga bags or pasalubongs. Yan. So ito guys, yung shop na walang problema. So ayan. Here's the boyfriend's waiting area dito. So let's check it out. Guys, we're finally here at El Nino Beach. Yes, you can see ang daming mga bangka. This is actually the docking station ng mga island hopping tours talaga, guys. So, yan. As far as I can remember, doon ako banda nagstay last time sa may Chislik Inn. So, yan. Wow, it's nice to be back. Look at that view. So, ayun, marami pa rin restaurants na open dito. So, marami talaga kayong pagpipilian. Lalo na ngayon, ang dami ng new cafes and new restaurants na open dito sa El Nido compared nung last year na nagpunta ako na medyo may pandemic pa at that time. So, yeah, yun guys, let's explore what's new in El Nido. Diba? Yeah! Tumaob na yeah. And here's the Sava Beach Bar. Oh my god, this is my favorite bar dito sa El Nido. Guys, nandito na kami sa may Sihama Street. So maghahanap na kami ng kakainan. So, dito kami magdi-dinner guys sa may Vilnans Resto. Hi kuya. Ang ganda ng restaurant na to. Perfect yung lighting. Dahil lang ako.
Hello po.
Hello!
Vilnans Resto.
Here's our dinner. This is pork ribs, guys. I think this is worth 250 pesos. Sulit naman siya, ang dami. And this one is the stuffed squid. And this is worth 350 pesos. Yan, what's yum. Let's eat. This is the pork ribs. Harap siya. Stuffed squid. We're here at Gusto, guys. Magda-gelato kami. Yeah. Sharp, guys. Definitely must try. Good morning, El Nido. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ay, hello. Breakfast. Hi guys, good morning. So this is our official day 1 here in El Nido. So yun, yung agenda namin for today is we're gonna be doing the famous island hopping tour dito sa El Nido, which is yung island hopping tour A. So nakuha namin siya guys sa Klook. It's only worth 950 pesos with packed lunch na siya. So ayun, hindi na kasi siya katulad nung before na may Boodle fight. So yun, nandito na kami sa may meet-up area. Nakita nyo naman yung Klook sign dito, kung sa Klook din kayo o-order. And if you're gonna get yung island hopping tour A sa Klook, make sure to use my code, which is Luisa50 for a 5% discount, guys. So update ko kayo later kung anong mangyayari today. Hi! Guys, nga pala, may babayaran pala kayo dito na 200 pesos for the ecological fee or tax. So that's one-time payment naman, and you can use that for 10 days if magsistay kayo dito. So for example, may iba pa kayong tour na pupuntahan the next day, pwede nyo na ang gamitin yun. And there's also 200 pesos na entrance fee sa Big Lagoon. So make sure na magdala kayo ng cash for the registration kasi kakailanganin nyo yun. Also, if you don't have snorkeling mask or aqua shoes, pwede kayong mag-rent dito. That's 100 pesos each. So, yun, prepare lang kayo ng cash. So, yeah, that's it for now. We're here at the dockyard, guys. So, ayan. Nakakahilo siya. Ayan. Dito ba tayo sasakay? Sorry. Dito tayo. Paalis na ang mga person.
Everyone, wait! Woo!
Hi guys! Update! So we're finally here at the Big Lagoon. So yun, para makapasok kayo dun sa loob, you need to rent a kayak. So 300 pesos siya for yung kayak na good for 2 person. Yun yung small one. Then 350 pesos if gusto nyo yung malaki, lalo na pa marami kayo. I think mga 4 persons pwede dun sa malaki. So yun guys, take note of that. So yeah, pupunta na kami dun sa Big Lagoon. See you there! Magkakayak na kami pa loob. Nagawa mo.
Gusto ko saan pumunta dun.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a
The Big Lagoon is truly one of the most breathtaking places to see here in El Nido.
It features the full beauty of lagoons from its deep blue clear waters to limestone cliffs around you. It's definitely a slice of paradise here in the Philippines. I mean, no wonder that Palawan ranked 6 in Reader's Digest Choice Awards this year for Best Islands in Asia.
You in my life. Feel a mile high when you're on my side.
Okay guys, time's up. So, babalik na kami sa may bowl. Tapos, punta na kami sa next destination namin. See you there! Shimizu Island is one of the most beautiful destinations in the area. From its tall black limestone mountains, which are guarded by beautiful trees and a stretch of white sand, to its crystal clear water, which is perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The island is considered to be one of the best snorkeling areas, and it's also a place where you'll have your lunch during your tour, so expect that it can get really crowded during midday. Hi guys, update. So we're done here sa Shimizu Island. Pupunta na kami sa may snorkeling area. See you guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, may nagbebenta din dito ng fresh buko. Yan. Hi guys, update. So it's already 12:44 in the afternoon. So nandito na kami sa second to the last namin na stop here at Secret Lagoon. So nandun yung port na Secret Lagoon. Tapos may mga pumapasok pa na madaming tao. So yeah, etong part na to, yung beach area, part din siya ng Secret Lagoon guys. So if tapos na kayo sa may Secret Lagoon mag-picture and videos, pwede kayong tumambay dito unless time na umalis, no? So yeah. Bago tayo mag-lagoon, puntahan natin yung port doon. Yeah. And guys, ito part to talaga ng Secret Lagoon. Yan, ang ganda din dito mag-picture and videos. Look at that limestones. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda pa din. Guys, pupunta na ako sa may Secret Lagoon mismo. So, tinatawag na ako ng mga tour guide. Oh my god. So, may yarn. You know. Guys, make sure na may dry bag kayo pala dito para at hindi mababasa yung mga gamit nyo. Wow. Oh my god. Guys. Wow. Tower We love El Nido!
Unang puwet mama, unang puwet.
Oh my god! So hard! We're done here sa may Secret Lagoon guys. So balik na kami sa bangka for this snorkeling. Kasi kanina pa talaga nauurong yung snorkeling na. So, let's go!
Ngayon pa naman ako. Kaya ko pa naman mag-isa.
Hey guys, we're finally here at the Minilok Island. So dito kami magsiswimming and snorkel na rin. Yan. 1, 2, 3, go! Guys, our last destination is here at Seven Commandos Beach. Ayan, and of course, new outfit tayo. Yan guys. So ayan, pwede kayong mag-swimming doon. Pwede rin mag-snorkeling. Pwede kayong mag-beach volleyball dito. Also, may restaurant at that part. Restaurant ba yan? Basta, pwede kayong umorder ng mga drinks. Yun. Shout out! After mag-take ng videos, mag-chill na kami dito. We're going to stay here for at least an hour. Then, after nito, pack up na. Balik na sa El Nido. Let's go! Ikot-ikot muna tayo. Mango shake, guys! Grabe, ang mahal ng mango shake na to. This is worth 200 pesos, guys. So, yun. They have other drinks din naman. So, kayo na lang bahala. Wow. Seven Commandos is hands down one of the best beaches in El Nido. The beach got its name from one of the story that says during World War II, 7 soldiers got stranded here. Another says that Seven Commando was the name of a massive fishing vessel that got left in El Nido waters, and the passengers just decided to make this inland their home. Guys, update. So, almost 4 PM na. And katatapos lang ng Ireland Hopping Tour A namin. Masaya naman siya. Although nabitin lang kami. Pero ang gaganda ng mga places na pupuntahan niyo talaga, guys. So, yun. Babalik na lang muna kami sa may accommodation namin. Magbabandaw pahinga. Then later lalabas for dinner again. So, see you guys there. Hi guys, update. So it's already 7 in the evening na. So lalabas na kami ni Bench para mag-dinner. So we're planning to have dinner sa may Tuk-Tuk Thai kasi nag-crave ako ng Pad Thai ngayon. So, let's go! Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa may Abdullah Street. So ayan, ang dami dito pwede nyo pagbilhan ng mga souvenirs. Ayan, oh. Magmili na lang kayo. Guys, sorry mali. Dito pala kami sa may The Food Truck kakain ng dinner. So, ito siya. So cute. So guys, here's the seafood pad thai. I hope it's yum. See?
Kain mo na yung isa, diba?
Sarap.
this cutie doggo. Nagpapapet. Ayos ah. Nakahanap ka ng ano ah.
And that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Please do like, comment, and share this video to your friends and your family. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. So see you guys on the next one. Roar!